Hello guys, welcome to our training session. This is Surita from Remi, and today I'll be giving you simple recipes on how to repair your skin if you have damage from cosmetics. Okay, if your skin barrier has been damaged, these are two simple products with ingredients around you that you can use in repairing your skin. Okay, so we are going to start with soap making. With this soap, the base soap we are going to be using will be African black soap. I would advise you to get the Ghana soap because that is the best so far I have seen that works perfectly well. So you need Ghana soap, you need rose water, you need a little bit of distilled water, you need camwood powder, you need licorice root powder, you need neem powder, and you need cinnamon powder. So those are the ingredients you need. You're going to put all of this together to make a paste, not too thick and not watery. Okay, so make this paste and you pound together. You can pound in a mortar and you keep it to be your soap. That will be the soap you'll be using in bathing. So bathe with this soap morning and evening, and the way you use it in bathing, please do not apply your soap on the sponge, rather moisturize your skin, and you now take the soap, apply all over your skin. You leave it to sit for a few seconds and you scrub. You then rinse with lukewarm water if possible. If not, cold water is okay. So that is what you're going to be using. The first recipe, that is a soap made from African black soap that is going to bring back your skin, that is going to rejuvenate your skin, that is going to repair your skin barrier. And the second recipe we have is for an oil, a blend of oils. So you need just 3 ingredients in this particular recipe. All you need is palm oil. Yes, you heard me right, the palm oil you use in your kitchen. The second ingredient you need is hemp seed oil, and the last ingredient you need is rose hip oil. These are 3 powerful ingredients that can rejuvenate your skin or that can repair your skin barrier. So blend this together. Whenever you bathe, you now apply on your skin and you are good to go. Please do not be in a hurry to see results. It's possible that within 5 days your skin would likely come back to normal, but know that skins differ. You can see results within 5 days. Some will see within 2 weeks, others will see within maybe 2 months or more. Just be patient when you are using products, especially with organic or natural ingredients. Take your time, repair your skin, and turn your back away from harsh products. Thank you for watching. Until we see next time. Bye bye.